Ever wanted to dive into your favorite Apple TV shows or movies right from your Amazon Fire Stick? Let's unlock that possibility step by step. First, grab your Fire Stick remote and press and hold the microphone button. Now clearly say, Apple TV app. Into your remote, this will initiate a search across your Fire Stick for the official Apple TV application. If the Apple TV app is available in your region and for your Fire Stick model, you'll see it listed here in the search results. Go ahead and highlight it, then press the select button in the center of your remote to install it. Once installed, you can launch the app directly from your Fire Stick's home screen or app library and sign in with your Apple ID to access your purchased content. But what if the app isn't directly available? Don't worry, there's another way to enjoy your Apple TV content. If you have an Apple device like an iPhone or iPad, you can use screen mirroring to cast your Apple TV app to your Fire Stick. Ensure your Apple device and your Fire Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your Fire Stick from the list of available devices. Now, open the Apple TV app on your Apple device, and whatever you play will be mirrored onto your TV through your Fire Stick. It's that simple to bridge the gap and access your beloved Apple TV content on your Fire Stick happy streaming.